Not posted yet problem. Hello guys, in today's short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix not posted yet problem on Instagram. All what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then scroll until you find the apps manager right here. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds, it will start loading like this, and then scroll all the way until you find the Instagram app and click on it. When you click on it, now click here on this force stop and then go to the storage right here. And now all what you want to do is very simple, click on clear data, click on delete, and then click on clear cache, go back, click on the data usage, and then disable all those options and enable them back again. And that's it. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.